Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat after the speaker. Speak out loud and copy the speed and pronunciation. Let's begin.
I wake up at 7 every day. I eat breakfast with my family. She drinks coffee in the morning. We walk to school together. He goes to work by bus. I cook dinner every evening. They watch TV at night. I clean my room on Saturday. She takes a shower after lunch. We talk on the phone often.
I open the door. Close the window, please. He writes a short email. I read a book before bed. She listens to music now. We study English every day. They play football in the park. I run in the morning. He buys bread at the store. I wait for the bus here. This is my school. That is the new library. I live in a big city. She works in a small office. We go to the market often. They sit in the garden. I am at home now. The shop is near the station. He is in the classroom. The bank is next to the post office. I am happy today. She feels tired now. We are excited about the trip. He is afraid of spiders. I like spicy food. She doesn't like cold weather. We love to travel. They enjoy learning English. I think this is good. He believes it will rain. How are you today? Where are you from? What time is it? Do you like music? Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? Why are you late? What is your name? Are you ready? How old are you? I start work at 9. She finishes school at 3. We have a meeting today. He writes a report now. I need a pen. She asks a question. We study grammar together. They learn new vocabulary. I use the computer at work. He teaches English online. It is sunny today. It is cold in winter. It will rain tomorrow. I wake up early in summer. We enjoy warm weather. The time is 12 o'clock. It is cloudy now. It gets dark at 6. I check the weather every morning. The sun rises at 5:30.
I buy apples at the store. She pays with cash. We need more water. They choose fresh vegetables. I like this shirt. How much is this? I want a sandwich. She orders the chicken. We eat at a restaurant. He tastes the soup.
I take a bus to the city. She travels by train. We pack our bags. They book a hotel room. I arrive at the airport early. He misses his flight. We explore new places. I ask for directions. She takes pictures. We enjoy the journey. I feel sick today. She goes to the doctor. We drink water every day. He takes medicine. I sleep 8 hours. She exercises in the gym. We rest on Sunday. They eat healthy food. I brush my teeth twice a day. He checks his phone in the morning. Great job for finishing today's shadowing practice. Repeat this lesson daily to improve fluency and confidence. Pause, replay, and practice again. See you in the next lesson.